Remember, there's three types of connective tissue: connective tissue proper, fluid, and supporting. For supporting, we learned cartilage and bone, and one of our types of cartilage is hyaline cartilage. The specialized cells are chondrocytes and chondroblasts. That's looking at the tracheal cartilage. So if I look at our larynx and drop down into our trachea, remember most of our cartilages are made up of hyaline when we look at these structures. So as I expand on this ring here, this ring is my tracheal ring, and I pull it out and look at a higher magnification. This is when we looked at in the middle, I have chondrocytes. In the lacunae, towards the edge of the tissue, I had chondroblasts, and they're making all the purple in between is the matrix. So that's our hyaline cartilage. And as I come to where I look at the surface of where the air is touching, this hole is called the lumen. That's where the air is coming through, and it's lined with our respiratory epithelium. So this dark section here where the air touches, if I expand on that, this is all of my respiratory epithelium. In a previous video, I focused just on this tissue of PSCC. It's lined with cilia, and remember within it I have goblet cells or mucus cells to produce mucus. So as I trap the stuff I breathe in, I naturally will spit it out or swallow it to break it down, and we see it build up when we're sick. So lining the lumen is that PSCC. On the posterior side, I see what's called the trachealis muscle. Remember, as I wrap around, the tracheal rings is a C ring, which means it's not a complete circle, because on the posterior side, I have this trachealis muscle. This trachealis muscle is a smooth muscle that allows for the expansion, but it gives me room for the esophagus on the posterior side. As we get into understanding some of our layers, we'll start to see